A very good morning, student. This is the maths class for standard 4th. Students, today we will learn multiplication by 2-digit and 3-digit number. In exercise 5, let us do. Question number 1 is multiply. A is 819 by 208. Arrange both the numbers in vertical column and start multiply from ones place digit of the multiplier, that is 8. So 9 into 8 is equal to 72. We write 2 and 7 carry to the tens place. Now 8 into 1 into 8 is equal to 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. We write 5 and 1 carry over to the hundreds place. Now 8 into 8 is equal to 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. Now we will get 6552 is a first partial product. Now multiply 819 by tens place digit, that is 0. So 9 into 0 is equal to 0. Now 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Now 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Now multiply from the hundreds place digit of multiplier, that is 2. So 9 into 2 is equal to 18. We write 8 and 1 carry over to the tens place. Now 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now 8 into 2 is equal to 16. We write 16. Now we write as 1,63,800 is the third partial product, and we add all the partial products and we will get 1,70,352. Students, remember, no need to write rough work. Now B is 648 by 227. Arrange in vertical columns and start from the ones place digit, that is 8, 7. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. We write 6 and 5 carry over to the tens place. Now 10. 4 into 7 is equal to 28 plus 5 is equal to 33. We write 3 and 3 carry over to the hundreds place. Now 6 into 7 is equal to 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. So we write as 4536 as first partial product. Now multiply with tens place digit of multiplier, that is 2. So 8 into 2 is equal to 16. We write 6 and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now 4 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. We write 9 and at last 6 into 2 is equal to 12. We write as a 12. Now we will get 12,960 as a second partial product. Now multiply by hundreds place digit of multiplier, that is 2. Now 8 into 2 is equal to 16. We write 6 and 1 carry over to the tens place. Now 4 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 carry over together 9. We write 9 and last one 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So students, we will get 1,29,600 as a third partial digit. Now add them and we will get 1,47,096. Now C is 555 by 145. Arrange in vertical columns and start from the ones place digit of multiplier, that is. Now first we multiply from the ones place digit, that is 5. Now 5 into 5 is equal to 25. We write 5 and 2 carry over to the tens place. Now 5 into 5 is equal to 25 plus 2 together 27. We write 7 and 2 carry over to the hundreds place. Now 5 into 5 is equal to 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. We write 27 and we call 2775 is as a first partial product. Now multiply with tens place digit of multiplier, that is 4. Now 5 into 4 is equal to 20. We write 0 and to carry over to the tens place. Now 5 into 4 is equal to 20 plus 2 together 22. We write 2 and to carry over to the hundreds place. Now 5 into 4 is equal to 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. We write as 22 and we call 22,200 is the second partial product. Now multiply with hundreds place digit, that is 1. Now 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5 and 5 into 1 is equal to 5 and we will get 55,500 is a third partial product. Now 8 there and we will get 80,475. Now D question 2,936 by 198. Arrange both the numbers in vertical columns. Now start from the ones place digit of multiplier, that is 8. Now 6 into 8 is equal to 48. We write 8 as and 4 carry over to the tens place. Now 3 into 8 is equal to 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. We write 8 and 2 carry over to the hundreds place. Now 9 into 8 is equal to 72 plus 2 together 74. Now we write 4 and 7 carry over to the thousands place. Now 2 into 8 is equal to 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. We write 23 and we will call 23,488 as a first partial product. Now multiply with tens place digit of multiplier, that is 9. Now 6 into 9 is equal to 54. We write 4 and 5 carry over to the tens place. Now 3 into 9 is equal to 27 plus 5 together 32. We write 2 and 3 carry over to the hundreds place. Now 9 into 9 is equal to 81 plus 3 carry over together 84. We write 4 and 8 carry over to the thousands place. Now 2 into 9 is equal to 18 plus 8 carry over 26. Now we write 26 and we will call 2,64,240 as a second partial product. Now multiply with hundreds place digit, that is 1. Now 6 into 1 is equal to 6, 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 9 into 1 is equal to 9 and 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now add the all partial product and we will get the product of 2,936 and 198 is 5,81,328. Now E question 3,225 by 274. Now let us multiply with ones place digit of multiplier, that is 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. We write 6 and 1 carry over to the tens place. Now 2 into 4 is equal to 8 plus 1 together 9. Now 2 into 4 is equal to 8. We write 8 and 3 into 4 is equal to 12. We write 12. Now multiply with tens place digit, that is 4 into 7 is equal to 28. We write 8 and 2 carry over to the tens place. Now 2 into 7 is equal to 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. We write 6 and 1 carry over to the hundreds place. Now 2 into 7 is equal to 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. We write 5 and 1 carry over to the thousands place. Now 3 into 7 is equal to 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. We write 22. Now multiply with hundreds place digit, that is 2. Now 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now add all the partial digits and we will get 8,83,376. Now f is 3217 by 173. Let us arrange both the numbers in vertical columns. Start from the ones place digits of multiplier, that is 3. Now 7 into 3 is equal to 21. So we write 1 and 2 carry over to the tens place. Now 1 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now multiply with tens place digit, that is 7 into 7 is equal to 49. We write 9 and 4 carry over to the tens place. Now 1 into 7 is equal to 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. We write 1 and carry over to the hundreds place. Now 2 into 7 is equal to 14 plus 1 together 15. We write 5 and 1 carry over to the thousands place. Now 3 into 7 is equal to 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. Now multiply with hundreds place digit, that is 1. Now 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Now add all the partial digits. When we add, we will get 5,56,541. Now your homework is question number G, H of question number 1 and question number 2, A, B, C and D. Now check your homework which is given in previous class.